Hey family, welcome back to your channel and another update at the Fixer Upper. So I wanted to show you where I am. Again, I like to give you guys the update and tell you what's left, what's done. Now the family I told you has already put their items here in the home, which is fine. I'm working down here in the basement, which is totally fine, okay? And they're still in the process of moving in, but the purpose of this video is to show you the floors. So I have completed all the floors, all the extra trim work. Again, down here, it has to be painted. So we'll be painting around the furniture and whatnot. The window seal over there that I still need to repair, the parts of it is over there. But definitely a man cave, right? So again, this area over here I've saved, I told you why, for last in the last video. So I have the towels there. The only thing that's left over here again is this area right here, the trim along the side there, and then I still need to go that way, but I'm going to do that last. Okay, so this is what the floor is looking like. I think they're going to be purchasing bar stools. I'm going to add another thick piece of baseboard there. And I'll be working on doing something over here. Of course, I'll bring you guys along all the updates that I've done. But look at the floor. Look at the floors. This carpet will be changed as well. The floors. It literally made a world of difference. I'm going to turn this way so that you can kind of see. And I still have to change the lights out, the fire detector that way. Look at the floors. Let me show you. I'm trying to show you up high the floors. I am so in love. This is that plaster you guys always ask about. Are you going to change it? Are you going to flatten it? No, it's a man cave. It literally cave being the operative word here. But look how pretty the floors turned out. I left no corner uncut or unturned until... So then I actually made it this way. Now this is under the stairs, which there'll be something coming down there. So that's why I stopped the flooring where I stopped it at, because that's going to be like just a place for them to store, stuff at. And then they'll have, I haven't decided yet what I want to put over that. But coming around this way into what used to be my office, the bedroom, everything else. So this is what, let me stand back here, what this floor looks like. So I just continued the floor all the way around. Okay, over here I stopped the floor evenly here because again, this is the air conditioner unit and they're going to be putting up those little track, like accordion slide back doors, okay, to just hide that ugly eyesore of a air conditioner unit. And that's some of their work, some of their stuff over there. So yeah, that'll have one of those little doors on it. This room right here is the only room, actually I just found out today, that's not going to be painted because it's actually going to turn into a studio, a music studio. Like, you know how people have studios where they record music, make beats, and that, all that musical stuff. So it's going to be an actual music setup in here. So the walls will be padded, soundproof padding for the purposes of music and stuff like that. So that's what this whole area right here will be. But I'm so loving the floors, even though my back is broke into a million pieces. This is the laundry room. Now I have one box and about 2 strips left to do this laundry room, which right now is their catch-all, so that they can work upstairs, and then they'll come and start pulling this stuff out. And then whenever all this stuff is out, I can go ahead and try and start to lay as much of this floor as far as it'll go. And then I'm thinking that they may need one more box, is what I'm thinking. Now underneath this floor, I don't know if you can see between all the stuff, but that's the same floor. When I had it here as the boutique, and it was that dark version of the lighter color upstairs. Those are the same planks. And again, it's going to be hard as all get out to get it up. But yeah, so anyway, the floors. The floors, just look at the floors, you guys. This looks expensive. It looks like a lot of money was spent. This, I told you guys, was 1,086 square feet of space that I have laid, minus the laundry room so far, because that, of course, that's occupied. But then when it's no longer occupied, then I can go in there and paint. This is walk-throughable if you want. So everything, again, outside of the room I just told you about will get painted the color that's upstairs. So it'll be super bright down here. Everything that's white, okay, all the white trim, all the crown molding, that window sills, all that stuff will get a brand new fresh coat of white paint. Even these, I have to repair the bar. As you can see, like some of the stones came off, which are here. Easy fix. I'm just gonna re-adhere those back, but I was too busy trying to get that floor up and kind of knock some of them off. But back here where it's like, you know, this tile stuff, I'm going to put a high gloss paint over that just to make it white as well. A very high gloss paint on top to just make it look nice and clean. And then that's just some stuff that was up there. She'll decorate however she sees fit. And again, that area right there, that little bitty area right there is gonna take my whole life away. But it's okay. So this little area, like I said, that trim part won't be no problem. Or that down there either won't be a problem. And just figuring out kind of what I want to do to close this off and add another shelf back in for storage for when she's entertaining or whatever. She did keep the bar that I thrifted. Just needs to be good and cleaned up. And so let me stand all the way over here in this far back corner so you can kind of see what that floor is looking like. Coming from the door all the way, just, it makes a huge difference as opposed to multiple, how I had it, multiple floors. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all, this reno is the best one that I have done so far. This is the best one. I'm loving, loving, loving. And I think it is because of the floor and the continuation of the floors and how it just makes it so much larger. I believe they're going to put an area rug over there, if I'm not mistaken. Upstairs is coming together like nobody's business. I'm going to, I still have to do the 2 bathrooms upstairs. Still doing the light fixtures. Light fixture needs to be changed. Light fixture changed. Living room, master. And then those are all the lights. And then of course this whole thing, except for this room here, which is going to be this studio is going to be painted. Everything except for this room right here will be painted. It looks 3 times bigger than what it was. And I know this camera is not doing it not a bit of justice, but you get the idea. You totally get the idea. All the way down to the storage underneath the stairs. And that storage, it goes all the way back to here under the stairs. So all of that goes back under the stairs for storage purposes. And yeah, so this is the downstairs floor complete. I guess when they do get everything, you know, exactly how they want it, decor-wise and all that stuff, they'll let me come back in and just give you a walkthrough of their beautiful items at that point. We're still under construction or whatever. I'll finish that floor tomorrow and then move on upstairs and do the bathroom floors and of course that I have to frame that out too. So yeah. Oh, and he also asked if this is this wall right here. He wants me to close this off. Well, not close it off. Add some type of door that could either slide or push back or something, because again, that's going to be a studio. And instead of entering this way to go around to the laundry room, he actually wants me to cut a hole here, create a door on this side to go into the laundry room this way, but also close off. So put something here to close this off, but he also wants this open way closed completely as well. He doesn't want this open to the laundry room. He only wants this space back here for the purposes of making music. He writes and sings, actually. So he only wants this area for studio purposes back here. So he wants me to go price what I need to close this off, so this will no longer be an entryway into the laundry room. You'll have to enter the laundry room from the opposite side. And I know all this stuff is in here, but if you guys remember, this was the boutique / laundry room, and it was a really nice size. It's a really nice size laundry room. And when I finished this basement, I honestly didn't have any intention on making it this big, but hey, it is what it is. So that's it, you guys, for this portion of the video. I hope it was helpful and exciting, and I'll be looking forward to showing you guys a little bit more as things progress forward with the basement. But look at that floor, though. Look at the floor. Let me just let you look at the floor one more time. Let me just let you look at how luxurious and how huge. And I know you can see like right there underneath the door. I'm going to get some weather stripping to put right there, because to me that is a snake entry all day, every day. So that you won't see that no more, okay? And then all of this. Look at the floors. Oh my God. You guys, give this video a thumbs up just because my back is broke and I did all of this flooring by myself, not to mention all of upstairs floors by myself. Absolutely beautiful. Okay guys, I will catch you in the next video or either the next clip, whichever comes first.